There's more?
No, but they don't release them during the day.
Oh. Good morning. So imagine coming all the way to Barbados to actually release a turtle. That's very interesting. So I was like in my room and I'm like, yeah, what's that in the pool? It's a turtle. That's pretty cool. So yeah, so back home in Jamaica I would normally go to turtle release what do you call it, events or something like that. Yeah, so I know exactly what to do. So feels good, feels really good. So behind me, this is the pool that I saw the baby turtle in. I'm like, yo, I have to save that turtle. So yeah, that was good. All right. Yeah, what a way to start my morning in Barbados. First morning in Barbados. Okay. Yo.